Hey YouTube, ask me anything about this phone, like this Samsung Galaxy S Blaze phone. I've been having trouble lately with this phone. Like, I can't even hear sound off of it. I think it's still in speaker mode. How do I fix it? Like, I looked up on Google and it says how to fix phone audio. And there's a method that says stuck in headset mode, no earpiece or back speaker sound. And here's the thing about this. When I first thought this method here worked, like this method that's located on the phone, this method, I thought it worked. Well, it didn't. It says right here, it says I need an app to force, it says I need an app. Okay, sound about Android apps on Google Play. I think I need to download an app to fix it. Because that's what I really need. So what does this do? Post issues, media, audio, root. Oh, this is what it does, the app. Found it. Never mind, I found it. It's called a sound about in the description. Okay, this is the app I found. It's called the Sound About app. This right here. Thank God I found it. I think this is an app feature that will let me fix this. Media auto. Let app decide. Speaker. Phone call audio. Earpiece. Notification behavior. On can be killed by Android. Off. Wired headset behavior. Allowing plug-in detection. Wired headset. I think it's an additional settings that it needs to be fixed. Wait a minute, what does it say? This application does not contain a pro version license, but you can use it. I need to get it, but how do I add money into this? Hold up. It's not telling me where do I need to redeem a card. Pro version, how do I buy it? Where do I need to go on this? Where do I need to go? Scheduling. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for the settings where I can redeem code. motion. I don't know what to do. That sounds not. See if the sound is on. Turn it off then. You know, it's not working for me.